Hello and welcome back to the latest episode of our Yiwu Market Tour vlog. At Logistics 9, we understand the importance of capturing moments with precision and finesse. That's why today, we're taking you on a quick tour into the captivating world of professional photographic equipment at Yiwu International Trade Mart, your ultimate destination for quality products at unbeatable wholesale prices. Let's start by capturing the essence of photography with this stunning array of cameras. From cutting-edge digital wonders and classic analog gems to the currently popular instant Polaroids, Yiwu has a camera for every photographer's vision. But a camera is only as powerful as its accessories, and Yiwu factories offer a selection of some meticulously designed ones to complement every photography endeavor. Tripods, lens filters, cleansing kits, camera straps, bags, and more. The suppliers here have everything you need to enhance a photographer's journey. This collection of lighting equipment is a game changer. From studio lighting kits to portable ring lights, Yiwu provides the perfect lighting solutions for every setting. And remember, with Logistics 9, you're not just getting top-tier equipment, you're gaining a reliable partner committed to your success. When you import with us, you can trust that you won't encounter any hidden charges or additional sourcing fees. Our prices are transparent and upfront. Plus, we exclusively source from trusted and verified Yiwu factories, guaranteeing the quality and authenticity of every product you order. Moving on to sound, because a captivating image deserves an equally compelling soundtrack. Audio is a crucial element of storytelling, and Yiwu Market's audio equipment is here to complement all types of visual masterpieces. With its range of microphones, recorders, and headphones, Yiwu ensures that your customer's photography isn't just visually stunning, but sonically immersive as well. Whether shooting a wedding, a commercial, or a documentary, the professional-grade audio equipment ensures crisp and clear sound quality, allowing your customers to capture every moment with precision and clarity. Now let's venture into the world of videography. From stabilizers to slider tracks, Yiwu offers a range of videography equipment designed for smooth and cinematic shots. Now that we've taken a stroll through the awesome collection of photographic gear at Yiwu, let me spill the beans. These fantastic products can be all yours. That too at direct factory prices. And guess what? We can tweak these to match your branding style and preferences if you choose the customization option. Let's capture the essence of quality and innovation as you import directly from China with us. Contact us on the number on your screen, and let's discuss your photography equipment needs to find the perfect products for your business.